Hey everyone, welcome to OnlyStocks. If you're intrigued by the groundbreaking sectors shaping our world, such as electric cars, genomics, and even blockchain, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into disruptive innovation across these platforms, so stick around. You won't want to miss this. Big shout out to Seeking Alpha for sponsoring our video, and its analytics. Make sure to get your 14-day free trial of Seeking Alpha. Premium via the link in the description. You can only get the 14-day trial through the link below, so make sure to check them out, guys. The 5 pillars of innovation mentioned, DNA sequencing, robotics, energy storage, AI, and blockchain technology, are cornerstones of what is predicted to be a massive transformation in various sectors of the economy and society at large. Let's delve into each one. 1. DNA sequencing. Curing the incurable genomics, or DNA sequencing, is an area that holds tremendous potential for revolutionizing medicine. Companies like Illumina have brought DNA sequencing costs down dramatically, enabling new kinds of research and applications. One of the most promising avenues is gene editing using technologies like CRISPR, which can potentially eliminate genetic diseases by editing the faulty genes. Misunderstood market potential. The current valuation of leading companies in this space, Editas, Intellia, CRISPR Therapeutics, does not seem to reflect the industry's disruptive potential. They are valued in the billions, which may seem like a lot, but is arguably a fraction of the market cap they could command if their technologies become foundational for curing diseases like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, or even certain types of cancer. 2. Robotics. The future of work and play robotics, particularly with the advent of collaborative robots, is set to transform both industrial settings and everyday life. Robots can take over dangerous or monotonous tasks, freeing humans to engage in more complex creative endeavors. Industries from manufacturing to healthcare stand to benefit from advances in robotics. 3. Energy storage. Powering the renewable revolution. As we transition away from fossil fuels, the need for effective energy storage solutions becomes imperative. Advanced battery technologies not only enable electric vehicles, but also make renewable energy sources like solar and wind more viable by storing excess energy for later use. 4. Artificial intelligence, more than just computers. AI is not just about smarter gadgets, it's about fundamentally altering how data is analyzed, decisions are made, and even how we interact with machines. Companies across sectors from healthcare to transportation are integrating AI to improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and open up new business models. 5. Blockchain technology. More than just cryptocurrency. Blockchain has applications far beyond just supporting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It offers a secure, decentralized way to record transactions and can be used in areas ranging from supply chain management to voting systems. Complexity or lack of understanding? Investing in innovation is often seen as risky, primarily because people perceive the underlying technologies as complicated. But the reality is, you don't need to be an expert in genomics or blockchain to understand their investment potential. Many investors hesitate to venture into these fields, thinking they need a deep, specialized understanding, which is not necessarily the case. The purpose of platforms like OnlyStocks is to break down these complex subjects into digestible insights. By translating the jargon and complexities into understandable information, it democratizes the knowledge, making it accessible to all kinds of investors. This fosters a more inclusive investment landscape and enables people to make informed decisions. The danger in sticking with the past. Ignoring innovation is not a risk-free strategy. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Traditional sectors like banking, automotive, and pharmaceuticals are becoming increasingly vulnerable as they fail to adapt to rapidly evolving technological landscapes. Companies that are not investing in innovation to keep up with these changes often become value traps. Companies that appear to be cheap investment options, but are cheap because they're not poised for future growth. Time horizons betting on the future. One of the most significant challenges in investing in innovation is the time horizon. Most investors look at short-term gains and quarterly performances, but the real value in disruptive technologies often takes years to materialize. The focus at OnlyStocks is to look at the long game, assessing companies and technologies with a 5-year time horizon. This allows investors to see beyond the current market volatility and short-term challenges to the broader, more lucrative picture. What might appear expensive now could very well be an undervalued opportunity that will pay off significantly in the long term. By educating investors about these aspects, simplifying complex topics, warning about the dangers of ignoring innovation, and promoting a long-term investment perspective, OnlyStocks aims to empower investors to make informed decisions that are aligned with the future rather than being tethered to the past. Tesla is often seen as just an electric vehicle, EV manufacturer, but its innovations extend far beyond that. The company has made strides in several technological domains, making it a holistic leader in disruptive innovation. While other car manufacturers have been touting their Tesla killers, the reality is that Tesla has consistently outperformed its rivals and even increased its market share in the EV space. Tesla's innovation isn't restricted to just EVs. It has developed its artificial intelligence chips to power its autopilot and eventually full self-driving capabilities. This provides Tesla with a significant lead in the future of autonomous driving, a market that extends far beyond traditional car ownership to potentially revolutionize transport, logistics, and urban planning. Tesla's vehicles also function as data collection hubs. Each Tesla vehicle gathers real-world driving data, creating a data network effect that improves the system's overall performance. This extensive data pool is a crucial competitive advantage, especially in the race towards developing fully autonomous vehicles. Traditional automakers have been significantly slower to adapt. In many cases, their first-generation electric vehicles have not been competitive with Tesla's offerings in terms of range, efficiency, or technology. This sluggishness is not just a sign of complacency, but could also indicate a systemic inability to pivot to the new technological paradigms quickly. The fact that Germany invited Tesla to build a massive factory on its soil speaks volumes about the concerns traditional automakers have about their future in the burgeoning EV market. If these traditional automakers want to be competitive with Tesla, they would likely have to sell EVs at a loss initially due to higher production costs, something that could significantly affect their profitability. Tesla, on the other hand, has been scaling down the cost curve, improving margins on their vehicles. In summary, the world of innovation is not just about buzzwords or hype. It's about identifying the companies and technologies that are genuinely changing paradigms and positioning for long-term growth. Tesla is a prime example, extending its tentacles of innovation into multiple domains beyond electric vehicles, including AI and data science. So, if you're interested in not just predicting the future but investing in it, it's time to look beyond traditional sectors and into disruptive technologies and business models. For more insights into how you can do just that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to OnlyStocks for more eye-opening content.